The US dollar does not play the role in the world that it did 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years ago. Not in the reserves held by central banks, not in the transactions in the world economy that are done with dollars, not in the importance of the dollar as a way of holding wealth around the world. However you look at it, the decline is underway. It's not that the dollar has disappeared. It was so dominant after World War II, when every other economy was basically wrecked and the American economy emerged in better shape than it had been in the previous generation. Uh, Nothing could have sustained the role of the dollar the way it came out of World War II. But it was sustained long enough. First, when the United States had a net export surplus, then with the collapse of the gold standard, when we went into a period of enormous deficits, as we are in today, the dollar is simply not the currency it was. And with that, the American economy suffers because having the globe use your currency confers all manner of privileges, all manner of real income supports that are gone now that that empire is in decline.